Hi, hello, namaste, welcome once again to my channel Naukri Ko Umeed. So guys, first of all, I really want to thank you all for supporting me in my bad times. I really want to thank Sushant, Ketan, Subhashish. I mean, they have messaged me, they have motivated me. As you guys are aware of things like मेरे साथ थोड़ी BT हो गई थी, and that's fine. I mean, I'm here with another videos. So as you know, like I don't come up with hopes now. I come up with something exact. Whenever I have something exact, I come up with those videos. Otherwise, I keep myself calm. I do my own works and all. So today we will go through Elite Phase 1, Phase 2, and as well as I have TCS onboarding update which I received from my one of the colleagues. As I told you, I'm in TCS guys. I have already told you like I'm working on it, and today I'm here with all those informations. So let's start with Elite Phase 1. First of all, I'm really not understanding why are you guys coming again and again asking about Elite Phase 1 and Turbo Phase 1. Guys, that is pre-planned, and I've already told you that date that will be in Jan, right? So it will be in Jan only. If I am coming up with another video and I'm telling you like go with December, go with November, don't watch my video as well, because that update is full and final update, right? Many of the people are messaging me, they are giving me some messages called like Q4 messages. So first of all, I just wanna let you know, for few IT companies, if we talk about financial year, it's a January to December. But if we talk about giant companies like TCS, Wipro, there are many companies, their financial year are March to March. So if we talk about Q4, it's a Jan to March. So whatever I told you, I mean, I have said this earlier only, right? That January will be, from January itself, onboarding will be starting, right? So there will be no question. I mean, why you guys are wasting time to checking videos on Phase 1 and Turbo Phase 1? I'm really not understanding, right? So please don't waste your time. Just go with your skills. Just try to go with the internship, paid internship, freelancing, do whatever you want. And whatever will be coming in future, it will come to you for sure. बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि मेल्स का क्या है. Guys, as you know, like if you talk about will people are getting onboarding mails 2 days before onboarding date, whatever joining date they have. So there are multiple circumstances which is happening right now. You don't have to be in it. You don't have to ask again and again, because it is not going to change. Whatever I said, like अगर आपको मैं कल एक वीडियो लेके आ रहा हूँ और बोल रहा हूँ कि नवंबर दिसंबर में ऑनबोर्डिंग हो जाएगी, आप मेरी वीडियो भी मत देखो, क्योंकि आपको पता है बंदा फेक ही कर रहा है. मत देखना फिर, क्योंकि एक बार बोल रहा है जनवरी, एक बार बोल रहा है नवंबर दिसंबर, तो क्या मतलब है? सो यू गाइज आर नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रस्ट मी एज वेल, राइट? सो व्हाटएवर आई सेड whenever I have come with some update, I have always come up with something exact or something fixed. Not like कि हाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ कि हाँ परसों आ जाएगी या फिर दिसंबर में आ जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं बताया ना, मैंने आपको जान दी थी. अगर ऐसा होता तो मैं 2-3 वीडियोस बना देता, बोलता कि यार चलो दिसंबर में भी एक वीडियो बनाते हैं, जनवरी नवंबर में भी वीडियो बनाते हैं. देन व्हाट? I don't think you guys are going to trust me then, right? So this is the case. So whatever I said, Jan, it will be Jan only. I always told you like you can get emails in upcoming month, because they have said like 2 months prior you will get mail. So within these 2 months you can get emails, but onboarding will start from Jan only. It is for Phase 1, Turbo, Elite, everyone. Now, many of the people were asking about Turbo Phase 1, postponed candidates. Like guys, seriously, I'm telling you again and again, like there is no concept of postponed candidate now. Whatever it is for them now, everyone is equal. Once onboarding will be it will start for all. Try to understand. Okay, come up with second whatever Phase 2. So what I received an update, it will go to Q4 last Q4, which is like March. So you can expect your onboarding in March, but as per business requirement, if it will be like they need 10,000 more people, they need 5,000 more people, your onboarding can be shift to previous days. If Elite Phase 1 and Turbo Phase 1 are done, then that case I'm talking about. So try to understand, means it will go to March for sure. Apart from that, this is the update what I have received. Now people were asking about PGP. So PGP will be there, But while doing onboarding of phase 1 or this January month, they can parallelly do your PGP as well, right? Now talking about one question which was like बहुत लोगों का PGP expired हो गया और उसको extend भी नहीं किया गया. So guys, this is fine ना. I mean, you have already done that PGP, you have scored well, you have your percentage over there. So that's fine. Let it be. उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता because you have already done that. Correct. So there are nothing called hope, bro. I mean, you guys are all done. You have that proof that you have completed your PGP, right? So then why are you acting like, means don't act then. It is with you, your everything is clear out. You have to follow one process which is like onboarding. There will be, as I said in previous video with Srijani, I mean most of the people have seen that videos as well, right? So you guys are aware of those whole process, what will be after onboarding, what will be after joining, what will be the process on the date of joining, date of onboarding. There are everything which is explained in that video. I already asked for questions. You can ask questions whatever you have. I will make another video with her and then we can talk on doubts. That will be more useful to you guys as well, right? Now coming up to TCS onboarding date, guys, as I told you, I don't have much info about TCS, but as I promised, I am following up with people, whatever people we have. We have so many colleagues. So according to sources, it will go to whomever. This one, what we say, location survey is already done. They will be getting onboarding from 15th. Now you will ask how you can sure 15th December I'm talking about. But my doubt is like 15th December. After 15th December, it will be like Christmas Eve, Christmas holiday. If we talk about that 2 week, that after that second half of December, client and everyone basically mostly they are on leave. They will be on leave because it's a furlough for them. So in that way, you can expect your onboarding bit delayed as well. But the date which I received is like after 15th December. This is the date for TCS people. Guys, whoever are from TCS, please can you comment me and tell me your categories, because I'm really bit confused about the categories. But I know that location survey are done for most of the people. So make sure, I mean, whatever I'm saying, you should not, I mean, just give me category, then I will confirm on category as well, right? Now coming up to, as you can see, like Infosys onboarding is already there. You can see there, I mean, multiple people are getting onboarding on Infosys. So there are someone who have received on few, I mean, in November itself. So guys, this is a good sign for all the onboarding peoples for all the companies. As you can see, like for Cognizant itself, I have connected 2 people and now they are like, I mean, they are connecting with themselves and they are following up. So you can take me as an immediator as well. You can ping me on LinkedIn, you can ping me on Instagram, whatever we have. If I have people, I will join you guys as a group and then you can do, I mean, I will give you information and you can follow up on them. So this is the way we can work as a chain, right? So now coming up to onboarding plans, whatever we have. So guys, as you can see, I mean, there are multiple good news for Infosys, for other companies as well. So it's a good news for all as well. It means like onboarding will be there soon. Whatever the market, the trend, you can also go with trend here. No one is here to tell you the trend. You are smart enough to go with the trend, right? I always say to you in my comments, like go with the trend. Whatever there will be a scenario, it will go to trend. So this is the trend for now, like onboarding is there for multiple people and there will be. So just relax, just chill. Don't forget to improve your skills. Don't forget to look out for opportunities. Don't forget to create an option as well, because having option is always a better option. Just think of it. Guys, जो भी नए हैं, whoever are new, please subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा, because when I come up, I always come up with good info and genuine info, as you know. Keep supporting me and thank you once again to all people who have supported me in that BT time. Here I am. So thank you so much, guys. Namaste.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die.